Hey you guys, Snowy88 here. You probably have seen my desktop before and you saw all these nice icons and maybe a few of these icons, and you might think, oh, how did he get those icons? Well, I tell you something very simple. It's like you can take every picture of the internet and turn it into an icon. Yeah, why not? I will demonstrate. I have just googled the word pyramid. Now imagine you would have this picture as an icon, for example. But the picture is too big because these icons are very small. But it does not matter. You get the picture, you click it, you right click it and you click on copy image. Yeah, nothing is even more needed because you don't even need a full size because you have to make it smaller. So that's why I just say copy image. Now you open this program called Irfan View, which is this program over here. Irfan View is just a sort of Adobe Photoshop, but then 10 times easier and much more easier for the layman. It's just a simple graphical program, and you can find it if you just Google for it. And it's free, it does not cost anything, but it allows you to do many things. So I copied the image into the RAM. Now I will paste it into this program. So what do we have here? We have this nice looking pyramid. But as you can see, most of these icons, those are rectangle in shape. They are squares. Actually, all these icons here have an exact dimension of 60 by 60 pixels. Now you can see here, this picture is now 240 by 180 pixels. Okay, let's do something about it. Let's zoom in a bit so we can work with it. Now, to make this picture more like a square, we need to make it less wide. It's like 240 by 180. Let's make it more like a square, and we don't want all this stuff in the front. So just play with it, and you can do with this program whatever you like. Just like I will show you. Let's point the mouse over here, select it, and now make this shape like it's like a rectangular, and you can see on the upper side here above here how big it exactly is. Like if I pull it like this, it will only be 10 times 162. So I can actually make an exact square of it, but it's not really needed. So, but because we want something that looks good in the icon, so we want this pyramid to be in the icon as well. So I go to here like this. This is the base of the pyramid. I want to have like so, maybe. Okay, now let's click on edit and I select crop selection. Okay, we still now have this picture still is being 194 times 161. Now we have to squeeze a little bit. I mean, this photo is taken just in this way that it cannot be altered anyway. Now you click on image, you click on resize, resample, and here it says preserve aspect ratio proportional. So if we change the width to 60, the height will automatically be 50. So that's something we don't want. We want it to be like, let's see where we were, resize. So we turn off this option and we say 60 by 60 and we click on OK. So it looks very small now actually, but it is now an icon. This program, Earphone View, allows you to save this picture as an icon. You click on File, you click on Save As. Now we want to put it on the C drive where I put all these images I use on my desktop also here as well, but it does not matter where you put it. And you have to save it as an icon. Save as type. Normally it's like JPEG, and you can select several other kind of types of picture format, but we want a Windows icon. So save it as an icon. And give it a name, well, like pyramid. Well, you can add certain kind of compressions to it from 0 to 9. So these pictures are already a bit compressed as well, so I would say just make it a 1, for example, and click on Save. Okay, if we now go watch this picture in the image file, we can find it. Ah, it's there. You see? It's there. Now imagine I have this program called Cryptex. Some of you might know what it is, some don't, but it's basically a Bitcoin encryptor, but I don't use it very often anymore. A Bitcoin creator. So imagine I want to change this icon. I click on the right mouse, I click on Properties, I click on Change Icon. Now click on Browse. I go to the C drive, go to the images where I put it, and then find myself my pyramid. It's here, and I click it, and I click on Open. Now you think you are ready by clicking OK, but you're not. You have to select this icon first. You click it once. You don't see much, but you have to click it once and then select OK, and then click on Apply, and then click on OK. And voila, here you have your Cryptex picture, but now in the shape of a pyramid. So this is a very easy way to get any picture from the internet, which I did also here myself. I took some like server-like pictures and a shutdown picture, restart picture, and even a floppy disk which well, resembles my backups, and even the MTV logo for the server NAS video clips, movies on the server NAS, still to watching movies. I'm sorry, this is Dutch, you cannot read it. Variable series and fixed series. Those TV shows, so that I use these images. So that's the way you can get these images to an icon. So I hope you have some benefits of this method, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And until the next video, see you guys, bye bye.